Today's lesson is about division, Common Core Standard MA 222B. Explore the relationship of multiplication through a variety of methods. You should already have the Does McDonald's Serve Burgers foldable set to go on your right-hand side of your notebook. So as we start taking our notes, make sure that you're using that as well. What we're first going to talk about is the steps to dividing. And some of you may know this may be review, but we want to review for everyone anyway. So our steps to dividing. And remember, you're taking these notes right on your notebook paper. First of all, we have to remember that there are 4 steps, and they begin with the acronym Does McDonald's Sell Burgers? Those letters stand for divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Once you get to that point, you always have to remember to repeat. You repeat these steps until there are no more numbers left in your divisor. Let's look at an example. 7 divided into 945. Right? So first we divide. 7 goes into 9 once. Then we multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. Then we subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then we bring down the next number. And now we repeat. 7 divided into 24 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. When I subtract, 24 minus 21 is 3. Bring down the next number and repeat. 7 divided into 35 is 5. So my quotient, right, the answer to a division problem here is 135. And you can label this example 1. Now, one thing you might want to remember is that division is the opposite of multiplication. So you can put that in your notes right above your example. And what that means is to separate into equal parts. To divide is to separate into equal parts. Okay? Some words that you might want to know that have to do with division are half, divisor, dividend, split, equal groups, quotient, separate, right? All those kinds of words are important. And if you want to jot those down, you can rewind and go back and write in your words. So again, we had a couple like split, half, separate, right? Anytime you're dividing anything into equal groups. Let's do one more example. 5 divided into 467. Again, let's follow our DMS cycle, or our Does McDonald's Serve Burgers acronym. Divide. 5 goes into 4. 5 does not go into 4. So we'll say 5 goes into 46 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract. 46 minus 45 is 1. Bring down my 7. Repeat. 5 goes into 17 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract. Gives me 2. There's no number to bring down here, which means I'm left with a remainder of 2, or 93 remainder 2. You may also know how to continue your division so that you have a decimal answer. That's great if you know how to do that, but we will study that very soon. For now, we can just use the remainders. So that is it for today. If you have all your notes and your right side of your page looks just like mine, then you can continue working on your what I learned and your proof. You're going to have to do 2 division problems on your own, and also your reflection. So again, make sure that you're being creative and you're reflecting on your math journal entry, and you're also giving me some good meaty feedback on what you think you're learning and why it's important.